After driving the new Porsche 911 Carrera S yesterday, today I got to drive the Carrera T, which is just a bit slower but not noticeable. It has smaller brakes, less horsepower, but it's still a fantastic car, and I got to enjoy it on the same spectacular roads around San Diego, going up a hill, the kind of road that I enjoy the most. And I must say that this specification in this color is perfection. Even though it has less horsepower than the Carrera S, it still feels amazing around the corners, and it's still pretty fast. I'm starting to get used to driving a convertible, especially in the California sun, but I'd probably still opt for a coupe if I go that route. The new Carrera S feels a bit more natural going fast. It feels like an extension of your body, but that's not to say that this car isn't fast. It's quite fast. And I think most drivers will probably never push it to its limits. But then again, you can never reach the limits of a car or yourself on the road. The 911 Carrera S, definitely a bestseller, especially in the USA. But if I had the chance, I'd probably get a base Carrera for my daily, and then get a Turbo S or a GT3 RS as a more track-focused car. So yeah, why have one Porsche when you can have two? The best part about it is that it has 3 pedals. The manual gearbox is superb. Although it's not going to be as fast as the PDK, it still makes for a very nice driving experience. And of course, with the auto blip, you don't have to worry about rev matching when you're downshifting. So this is normal mode, this is sport mode. You can definitely hear the difference once the sports exhaust is on. Let's see if this one has a soft limiter like the PDK one. Yep. It's a kind of magic. So we have 4 driving modes: wet, normal, sport, and sport plus. This is the one I chose for going up the hill today, and I must say that I love the Bose system a lot more than I do the Burmeister one. So yeah, but I'm a big music aficionado, so if you like your sound system, go for the Bose. That's my opinion, at least. The chrono package.